Glucose, you take it in from the outside in food, and it is substrate for both growth and burning. So you can use it to burn, you can use it to power the little energy burning factories inside each of your cells, the mitochondria, to make energy for the cell in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is chemical energy that your body can use to power itself. Or you can turn glucose into building blocks of the cell so that the cell can grow and the cell can divide. So glucose can be turned into lipids for membranes. It can be turned into ribose for DNA. It can be turned into proteins for structural growth. Glucose does both. The question becomes, how does a cell know which one to do at any given time? What are the control mechanisms on any given cell at any moment?